كان دينه أول شيء دخلنا دخل مثلا ده
I think that we are enough patient, you see. But of course, if really we realize that the government side wants only to, let's say, to discuss details or small problems, and there is no serious negotiations, then of course we shall not negotiate. Because we think that the Kurdish problem is very important not only for Iranian Kurdistan but also for Iran as a whole. So, and you can't really joke with such serious problem.